Morning children. Today I am going to introduce a new chapter to you, that is parts of a plant, chapter number 12, page number 16 of your GK book. Okay, so what are plants? Have you seen plants around you? Yes, in our area we are surrounded with varieties of plants. All over greenery is there in this season, no? In the rainy season, greenery is there all over. So, plants are surrounded all over our society. Okay, what plant gives us? Plant gives us fruit, food, vegetable and flowers. Yes, they gives us flowers now, beautiful flowers. So plants gives us food, fruit, vegetable and flowers. Okay, they also keep the surroundings or the area beautiful. With the help of those beautiful plants, our area, our society looks beautiful now. And it also clears the air. We can breathe in the fresh and cool air because of plants only. It gives us oxygen. They give us oxygen. Okay, now today I will tell you the function of the parts of plant. Parts of a plant, their functions I'll show you one by one. Alright, so you look at the board. Can you see the board here? Is it visible? Yes. Now see, this is the picture of a plant. These are roots. These are roots. The spelling of roots is ROOTS, roots. What do they do? Roots absorbs water and mineral. They absorbs water and mineral from the soil and give to plant. They give to plant what? Water and minerals. They absorb from the soil. The plant is anchored in the soil now. Where we grow the plant? In the soil. And the roots get water and minerals from the soil. Okay, now move on to the next. This part is called stem. Look here, this part is called stem. STEM, stem. Stem supports the plant. It is the support of the plant from root to top. See here, from roots to top, this stem is the support of the plant. Alright, it carries, what does it do? What does the stem do? It carries water and minerals through the stem. It carries water and minerals to the, what does it carry? Water and minerals to the leaf, so that leaf can prepare or cook its own food with the help of water and minerals. And who is carrying the water and mineral to the leaf? Stem. This part of the plant is called stem. It is the support of the plant and it carries water and minerals to the leaf so that they can cook the food. How do they cook the food? Leaves cook their food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Air, water and sunlight. That process is called photosynthesis. The process of that cooking food is called photosynthesis. Now look at this. This is leaf. 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 This is leaf. Leaves cook food for the plant with the help of air, water and sunlight. And who is helping leaves to cook the food? Stem, by carrying water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. Okay, understood? Now look at this. Now how stem and leaves are connected? They are connected through this part. Which part it is? This part is branches. With the branches it is connected with the plant. The leaves are connected with the stem with the help of branches. Okay. Now look at this. This is bud. B-U-D, bud. Bud is the small flower. Means before coming into the full form, it is the small part. The small portion is called bud. This is B-U-D, bud. Now see here, flower. Can you see this? Flower. What does the flower do? It helps the plant in reproduction. It helps the plant in reproduction. It reproduces the plant again. The flower become the fruit, and from the fruits we get the seed again. The one we put here in the soil become a plant, and then again it become a seed here inside the fruit. So this is all a cycle. This is all a cycle going again and again. Okay. So this is fruit. It has seeds in it. This is the process. A complete process. And each part of a plant has its own function to do. So children, I hope you understood this chapter clearly. Okay, you can do the exercise in the book. Alright, thank you.